Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade glutathione. To begin, understand that glutathione is a vital antioxidant, crucial for detoxification and immune support. We will combine specific precursors like N-acetylcysteine, alpha-lipoic acid, and vitamin C. This method offers a fresh, potent supplement, allowing you to control the quality and avoid unnecessary additives found in some commercial products. It's a straightforward process. Let's detail the ingredients. N-acetylcysteine, or NAC, provides the essential amino acid cysteine, a building block for glutathione. Alpha-lipoic acid helps regenerate glutathione and other antioxidants in the body. Vitamin C is crucial. It not only supports glutathione production, but also helps maintain its active form, ensuring maximum effectiveness. These three work synergistically for optimal results. Now for the preparation. First, measure out your powdered N-acetylcysteine, alpha-lipoic acid, and vitamin C. Place them into a high-speed blender. Next, add about 1/4 cup of distilled water or a natural fruit juice, like apple or orange, to aid in blending. Blend on a low setting for about 30 seconds, then increase speed for another minute until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. Proper storage is key to maintaining potency. Transfer your freshly blended glutathione into an airtight, dark glass bottle. Store it in the refrigerator immediately to protect it from light and air, which can degrade its effectiveness. For optimal benefits, aim to consume your homemade glutathione within 3 to 5 days. A typical serving size is about 1 tablespoon daily, mixed with water or juice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.